Hi, I'm Shannon with Landmark Roofing, and this is another Landmark Customer Spotlight. Today we're here with Pete Sheldon. Thanks for being here with us, Pete.
Of course.
I have a couple questions for you. So why did you pick Landmark for your roof replacement?
So we had some storm damage on our roof from this summer, and so we knew we had to address it. And we called a couple of our friends, just looking on Facebook and where some other people had their work done. And Landmark was recommended like 3 or 4 times from people in the community. And we knew Artie, we knew some people at Landmark, and we said, you know, they've done work for us before. Let's bring them out. So we had several bids that came in, and we chose Landmark.
Okay, great. And what made Landmark different from the other companies?
Well, from our standpoint, we look at people that do local work, right? And so people that are invested in the community, right? That again, we know that there are references of people that we know well and that we trust. And so, again, with the people that we got the bids from, Landmark was by far and away the one that people knew the best and had nothing but positive things to say about.
Okay. What would you say your overall experience with Landmark was like?
That was great. I mean, so we actually set it up and we were going on vacation for a while. We said, is it possible to do this while we're on vacation? And thinking that you'd probably say no because we need you around, and right away they were like, no, we'll just do it all while you're on vacation. And for 2 days they came in and did it. We came home and everything was perfect. And the only other thing I would say is Landmark was very responsive. We had some questions afterwards, and instead of just answering on the phone or whatever, they sent people out immediately just to check up on a couple of things, and everything checked out, and just really, really excellent customer service.
Sounds good. Well, again, I'm Shannon, General Manager of Landmark Roofing. Another satisfied Landmark customer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Landmark Roofing is Anne Arundel County's preferred exterior remodeling company. Call today for a free estimate.